YouTube, man, what's going on with y'all? Today, we got this extended cab Silverado. Y'all been asking for trucks, man, so the channel is turned into a truck channel, you know what I mean? We got a 2003 extended cab Silverado, as you can see from the title. It has a 4.8, the baby 4.8. Has a 4L60E transmission, 2-wheel drive, got long tube headers. It has 410 gears in the rear. He put a true track posi in that thing. Cold air intake, and pretty much, man, got drilled inside the rotors. I'm gonna let y'all see it. I just gotta give y'all the details on it. I actually tuned this truck previously, and he was happy with it. He wanted to do like a 600 cam, and all. I'm like, you ain't gotta do all that. It's just a daily driver. He ain't doing no racing and all that. So from the mods that he has done so far, he said he's very happy with it. But he's coming back for a retune now that he put the gears and all that in there. I gotta calibrate the mileage and all that stuff. He said he'd be on the freeway. He said he's going 80, but little Prius is flying past him. So enough of me talking. Let's get to right here. She looking too good, man. I'm gonna call this little baby Oreo. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Looking tasty. So it's a 2003 extended cab, like I said. He wanna also put the electric fans on here. And another mod that he did on this joint, he got some electric cutouts on her, man. It sounds pretty damn good on it. It's the 4.8 that could, got tail lights on it. I want to say these wheels is from a newer Silverado. I'm not sure, so I don't want to say it. But they're 20s, and they look hella. They look real nice on them good years. Gonna let y'all check out the guts. You had it since 2004, right?
Yeah.
Since 2004, he's been the owner. You know what I'm saying? He said the shocks on this mug is brand new. It's all stock. So he has he gave me the keys, y'all. He gave me the damn keys. He trusts your boy. So he got the Escalade. All this stuff is brand new. I just seen this stuff today. He got the Escalade cluster in there. I have never seen this on nobody's car but his. I might have to get some light in this thing. Let me see. Brighten this thing up real quick. Man, he put the beat back up in there. He got everything going up. Can y'all see the stickers up there? I'm gonna have to get some light up in this joint. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the stickers. Y'all see that? Oh. It's your boy LSSWAPGURU. And then he got the headliner done, all black. He got the the overlay or whatever the hell you want to call that. He got that done in black as well. He want to go to my boy Endless Wishlist. Shout out to my boy Endless Wishlist. Endless Wishlist. Tongue twister. He want these to be blue. He's gonna do the LED headlights at the top blue as well. He got that Pioneer up in that joint. Also just threw the beat back up in there with them big 0 gauges, and this damn thing sounds so damn good, but I can't let you hear because I don't want to get demonetized for it. And then we're gonna pop the hood real quick so y'all can see what's underneath of this bad boy. These headlights right here, these like the headlights I got on mine, but his got that little C on it. Man, I don't know, I think I probably should have got those ones. Then they got the smoke look on it. This damn thing fire, y'all. Let's check it out, see what he got up in here. Look at that damn, you can get somebody a nice little whooping with those, boy. He got the MSD wires on there, got the long tube headers. Let me see, let me zoom in on that joint. Got the long tube headers on there. Hey, did you put the cats on there or no? No cats, it's straight pipe.
No.
Straight pipe?
No, I got 2 cats on there.
Oh, okay, for sure. Oh, yeah, right. So I'm gonna try to climb underneath of the car and see if I can let y'all see. He went with that plastic joint. This right here is the best one, man. The plastic does not hold any heat, man. So they like $300, and guess what? You can pass smog with these because they're carb legal. You know, out here in California, they some assholes. Got the MSD wires on here. I know somebody gonna say number 8. All it is, that's supposed to be right there, just a little piece of plastic piece. They on there, right? Don't worry about it. And let's go up under the car. You see where them cutouts at? Yeah, boy. Hold on, I'm gonna take it off the tripod. Yeah, give me a quick second. Hold on. Let me turn the camera around too. Oh! That boy did the damn thing. Let me turn the camera around real quick. Oh, this boy done did the whole exhaust. Front to back. Doggy style. So she sounds super quiet. That's the cutout right there. Hey, hit it. to the back, man. Looking too damn good, y'all. Looking too damn good. Also got the drilled and slotted rotors on that joint. Get y'all back exhaust clip. Go ahead and rev it again.
Oh, now it's closed.
Oh shit! Are you rev it again now? That's how it sound closed, y'all. 4.8 that could, baby.
Open it.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's closed. And that's open. So right now, what I'm about to go do is I'm about to go do a tune real quick, and I get back with y'all. Oh, make sure you check your speedometers too, so you know it's accurate or not. It's accurate. I know it's accurate, but just so you can know it's accurate. A little bit so y'all can see all the stickers up here, you know. I wish I had my other little lens. All the stickers up there. Now y'all can see it at. Where the true one sticker at?
Right next to it.
Hey, right there. There you go. Got the true ones right there. Y'all see it on the hoodie, you know what I mean? Overall, you straight.
Hell yeah.
Oh wait! I'm gonna give y'all one more walkthrough of it before we dipped out. And just FYI, it has shorties on here, not long tubes. That was my bad. I was too excited. But it has shorties on here, not long tubes, and it sounds hella good. Is the exhaust open right now, right?
Yeah.
So we riding around right now with the exhaust on open, with the cutouts on open, but it's not crazy loud. As you guys saw, Arts, that damn thing was loud. This one is not too loud. It sounds pretty good. It's not drowning or anything. It sounds super, super, super good. So I'm gonna see if we can hit it on one of these streets or whatnot, so you can hear this thing roar. Should be good now. A little 4.8 that could, baby. You know what I'm saying? I was looking at my HP tuner. There was only a little bit of throttle. Gas it wrong way. Look at it, you know what I'm saying? That's what the cutouts do. And then you got idiots like this that want to cut your ass off. So, yeah, he ain't lying. He do need some shocks. So I was telling him about the shocks that I'm going with on my Tahoe is going to be the Bilstein 5100s. So I'm gonna send up those, and I also got to find a link for the column shifter. I don't know why the hell I can't find a link for them, but I'm gonna find a link and send them that as well. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if you's a bum. And we're gonna do one more walk around of the truck when we get out, and that's gonna be pretty much the end of the video. Ooh-wee. Alright, my boy Big Will ain't never did a burnout, you know what I'm saying, but he about to learn today. So look, hit the brake, and then yeah, not hard, just hit the brake enough to where the car ain't going nowhere, and then just gas it all the way. Alright. So it's gonna do it. Just hit the brake and make sure it don't go nowhere. If it try to leave, hit the brake more. Now gas it. think that could, damn it. Smoke behind us. Open the door. And it's time for us to go. Oh, you good? Damn, we left the smoky back here to go for the baby. Yeah, so basically what you want to do is, I'm going to talk to Brody off the camera so he can get it done. Look at Smokey back there. God dang. Oh, man. Looking up on Saucy. All right, so now that you just did your first burnout, bro, how you feel, man? How you feel to pop that cherry?
I feel like it's gonna be an expensive hobby, man. I'm running through these tires like a mug.
Man, so you can make it right inside the shop. So he's gonna he's thinking about coming back for some upgrades and stuff, man. So I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is yet, but he gonna come back. I'm about to show him how to do a burnout, and it's gonna be quick and easy. All right, y'all. So this is my boy Big Will, his 2004 Silverado, man. We had another location, and I'm gonna have him do the breakdown on it. Tell you guys basically exactly what's going on with it and what's up with it and all the modifications that's done to it. With further ado, here you go.
Yeah, it's a baby 4.8, you know what I mean, a little baby thing, but I just put on upgraded my spark plugs and wires.
Yep.
I put a little Shorty headers on there and hooked up my rear def. Went to 410 with the posies. So other than that, everything is stock. Besides that.
So with the tune and all that, you think she good now? Now that we did the final tune, you was able. I just taught him how to do a burnout for the first time. How you rocking now?
Man, that shit lovely, man. Hey, you woke the motherfucker. It's breathing now, so it's good. Real good,
man. I appreciate my dude coming through real quick. I'm about to bless you with some of them ooh-wee stickers. And like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum and get your paper. Cause I already done got mine. Ooh-wee. So if you guys don't know, these are the Gen 3 stickers. They look a lot better quality. They're a little bit bigger. They're actually smaller, but they look bigger, and they're a satin color. They look super clean, man. So here my dog right here, you know what I'm saying? So where we gonna put these things, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna let you bless it, come on.
He gonna let me bless the truck. That's why I fuck with my shoes, you know what I'm saying? You gonna let me bless the damn truck, man.
Put it wherever you want.
Shit, man, I wish she told me that, you know what I'm saying? Shit, I mean, I don't give a damn where you put it. We can put it on the front windshield. We can put it on the backs. I'm cool. Wherever it go, I'm happy. My dog out here supporting the cause, you know what I'm saying? Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Go ahead.
So let me see where what y'all think right there, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think right there? We getting hot, we getting warmer, we getting close. What y'all think, man? Let me know. Where should she go? Where should she go? Shit, I think I'm gonna rock with it right. What y'all think, right there? Or right here? I think this is gonna be the spot right here, y'all. This is gonna be the spot right here. Going, and it's on. I'm gonna line it up though. Come on, Mike. I'm not gonna hurt you. There we go. You officially been tuned by the LSSWAPGURU. So a little fine ass. Ooh-wee! Make it official. Like the whistle.
Right here.
Let me see what the other one at. Let me see.
Go ahead and bless my windshield. Put it wherever you want.
He want me to bless too. Where is it? I get to do that? Oh shit.
Somewhere in here.
So look, he already got one up in here, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you, I don't know if y'all can really see that. Oh, there you go. You can see it now. Now that we got the windows down, do y'all see that? That shit is so hard. So I already got a sticker by the true ones. I don't want to cover up nobody else's sticker, but
That's cool, man.
Let me see right there. We gonna rock with it right there, man. This shit is so dope to me, man. He has a tint, but man, this shit is fire. And let me see, oh, they're the true right there. True ones right there, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, shout out to where they can get some of this fire ass clothing at.
True one right here. In Lawndale, man.
Yeah,
go check them out. Official True one.
I have a hoodie. I'm gonna show y'all my hoodie that I got too, whatever. And I'm gonna leave their Instagram at the bottom in the description so you guys can check them out as well. And actually, I don't even have to do that because their Instagram is right here. There we go. Instagram right there, but I'll leave it in the description as well. But I'm gonna let you guys check out some of these other stickers that he has going on. That ooey, you know what I'm saying? This right here, probably one of my favorites right here, that handle, that fragile. It got Thug Drip up there. That should say legal lean. That's fire. Las Vegas, Nevada. And another one over there. I appreciate you guys watching, man. The channel is turning into a truck channel.